Welcome! DAGonDebt has made getting started simple by allowing you to begin the qualification process online. It's easy. To start, scroll your mouse over the Reduce Your Debt tab at the top of the page and click the Get Qualified button that drops down. Submit your contact information to us by completing a short questionnaire. Please be assured that your information is confidential. Second, open the 4-page Get Qualified packet. Please print and fill out manually to fax or complete and submit the form online. Either way, we will evaluate your application once it's received. Begin on the first page. The Request for Debt Settlement Evaluation form initiates the free financial evaluation. Please fill out your contact information, including name, address, phone numbers, date of birth, and social security numbers. If married, please include both. If you feel uncomfortable disclosing your social security number or date of birth at this stage, you can leave those fields blank, but we will need this information later if you decide to retain our services. Once completed, continue to page 2, the Income and Expense Self-Report. This page summarizes your monthly income and expenses so we can determine your disposable income after monthly bills have been paid. This worksheet will enable us to analyze your current finances and monthly payments versus what your budget will allow. It will enable us to evaluate your options and develop a payment plan that works for you. Let's now continue to page 3, the Hardship Information Form. This page is important because it helps us understand any extraordinary circumstances that have caused or contributed to your financial difficulties. Please check all that applies and any other information that you find relevant. The more detail we have at this stage, the easier our job will be to evaluate your situation, so please provide us with as much detail as possible. You're almost done. The last and final page is the credit information list. List all your creditors, name on the accounts, your balance, and your last payment dates and amounts. If you don't feel comfortable listing the entire account number, you may leave that column blank. Preferably, you should include the last 4 digits of the account number so we can reference it later. Once you've retained our services, we will need to obtain the most recent statements for each of these accounts to verify balances owed and also to identify the terms of each account. When you're completed, simply hit the Submit button at the bottom of the page or print the forms and fax it to us at 760-431-5295. That's it. Your information will be forwarded to our staff for evaluation. Once we receive your information, we'll be in touch with you to discuss your options and recommend the best course of action. Thank you for taking the time to complete the application. We're here to help. Please feel free to call or email with any questions.
Hammer your creditors with DAGonDebt.com.